pleasant greetings to our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Rustico Estrella, Vice Mayor Bingoy Herrera and his SB members, our Chief of Hospital, the Love Made Visible Foundation, Dr. Buha and Ma'am Arlene, doctors, nurses who helped the mission successful, my beloved catalyst, my colleagues in the government service, visitors, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great moment tonight. Why? It is because of this point. One, our Almighty God has given us kind-hearted people who are willing to do labors and travel extra miles for the good of other people. Two, we can see our happy faces of doing this activity for our fellow Pintuyanos and also for those who came across Pintuyan. Third, we are through with the activity with success and gladness in our heart in spite of the many trials. It may be my opportunity now to say thank you and our heartfelt gratitude to those who extend this financial, material, and moral support to make our mission possible and a reality. I felt fulfilled in my part upon looking back and thinking that our organization has done much good things, good jobs for Pintuyanon, and even to the people who come across Pintuyan. A million thanks to you. This organization, Pintuyan Catalyst Foundation Incorporated, and the Love Made Visible Foundation, is still looking forward for accomplishing what has been dreamed of, despite those untoward and deceiving marks I've got. Our main goal is to make life a better one as we see it with leaps and bounds because you are there all for us. God has made each one of us channels and instruments of man-made, innovative, and interactive programs so that what one has tasted in comforts and convenience will all of us share the same. I only appeal to your hearts to continue stay behind the organization so that we can sail and soar higher towards more improvements and accomplishment. Let us work together and labor hand in hand